Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Applied Biochemists Wintertrine. What is Applied Biochemists Wintertrine? Wintertrine algaecide is a complete winterizing kit in one bottle. This long-lasting algaecide kills the green, mustard, and black algae often present at pool closings. Product benefits: reduces cleanup time in the spring. Non-foaming. Will not affect equipment or chlorine residual. Usage directions: shake the container well and pour the amount of this product around the entire pool perimeter. Continue circulation of pool water for 6 hours to ensure proper distribution of this product. Dosage: solid covered pools, 1/2 gallon per 20,000 gallons of water. Mesh covered pools, 1 gallon per 20,000 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.